Let's see how easy it is to translate this document into different languages. Subscribe to Process9's MoxWords tool. Now, log in with your credentials. Create a new project folder or use an existing folder. Now, click on the Upload button and use the File selector to choose your document for translation. MoxWords can translate over 12 different file types of documents, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, XML and more. Now, choose the source and target languages. You can choose more than one target language at a time. Next, select the LSP of your choice. The tool will automatically calculate the word count of the document. Click on Submit. Review the details and proceed ahead. Your documents are now translated by MoxWords. Completed documents appear highlighted in color. You can directly edit the documents in MoxWords. Click on Save after making the changes. You can also click to copy sources easily, where needed. Click on the Download button to download your documents. Your translated document is now ready, without any compromise to formatting. You can also archive old documents by selecting them and clicking on the Archive button. Subscribe today and make document translations easy with MoxWords.